Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC clutch relay and AC clutch fuse are located on this 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So first thing we need to do is pop our hood. So right here is our under the hood fuse box. We're going to push in on this tab and this tab right here and lift. We'll pull it out from under the AC line there. And this relay right here is your AC clutch relay. And this 10 amp fuse right here is your AC clutch fuse. So we've got AC clutch fuse, 10 amp, and AC clutch relay right there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.